Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through. We're going to take a look at the fairly new release of the Cosmic Dancer Oracle by Sedona Soulfire and Tess Whitehurst. This is published by Blue Angel and retails for $25.95, and I will link everywhere I know that you can purchase this deck down in the description box, which will not be affiliated links, and you know, I'm not paid, I'm not sponsored, so this is just me showing you what you're going to expect should you purchase the deck. And if you want to purchase it, the links are down there. All right, everyone, let's get into this. So this is 44 cards and 148 page guidebook. All is one, all is divine, and everything dances. Dance has always been integral to the human experience. Principles of the cosmic dance are present in celebration, ritual, storytelling, philosophy, and so much more. Now, the wisdom, connection, and inspiration that arise through sacred movement have found their way through to you through the captivating artwork and empowering teachings of this dynamic oracle. Engage with the dance of life, animate your soul, and partner with undulating cadence of the world around you. Activate the cards to bring mindfulness and loving awareness to your entire body, and ask for insight into situations, challenges, relationships, or for general guidance. Each card includes a simple exercise to help you harmonize with the healing, grace, and beauty of the cosmic dance. All right, so this says illustrated by Elinore Eaton. Okay, so let's get into this. Oh, that's a piece of paper, protection paper. Okay, so nothing special going on in the inside of the box. Kind of a bummer, but you know, it's not the be all end all. All right, beautiful. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. So the contents, we have introduction and then card descriptions. That's about it. All right. So basically it says how to prepare your deck for use, readings. This oracle is a living prism of dancing light wisdom. It's a sacred tool for connecting with and assessing the great cosmic dance. This wisdom innately lives within you and the entire universe. All right, let's see. There's no right or wrong way to use this deck. Trust your intuition, listen to your inner guidance about how to interact with the wisdom of the deck and this companion book. As you feel guided, draw cards, look for the images, follow your body's wisdom, read the card descriptions, experiment with the embodiment exercises, and allow the experience to be a portal into creativity and divinely inspired insight. All right. Perfect. So there's a way that you can get into starting your reading, and then we have the card messages. All right, let's get into it. Oh, I'm so excited. These look beautiful. So this is the back, much like the cover. All right. And here we go. This is a big deck. So the Blue Angel Oracle decks that I've had so far are pretty nice. I'm not going to complain about them, like the size and the qualities there. So here we go. They are numbered. Ooh, they have like this beautiful little border on the edge. Like that does not bother me at all. I think that's kind of nice. And this reminds me of the zodiac sign Aquarius. This is actually a beautiful style of artwork. So vibrant. Oh, I love this. So kind of off topic, but this is number 4, and this reminds me of the tarot card 4 of Swords. Ooh, look at that. This is gorgeous. Oh, how fun. Wow. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous deck. The cards feel really nice. It's kind of like buttery, that buttery finish. Oh. Oh my goodness. I love. Oh, so beautiful. This is what I would call a very neat concept. Like, it's just really cool. There is a lot represented here, a lot of diversity, which is great. That's something I look for in every deck. Sometimes I get distracted and forget to mention it, so it is something that I think about when I do unboxings. But sometimes I definitely get distracted by the art or by something else. Oh my gosh, okay. Tell me this does not look like the grandmother from Ferngully. The hair, the face. Rewatch Ferngully and the matriarch of the fairies. That's who this reminds me of. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. This is just so beautiful. There are some decks where I'm like, okay, this could be cool. And then you get into it and you're like, it's not doing anything for me. Cool concept, but nah, this is gorgeous. Wow. Very strong, very, like they meant to do, like it was very intentional, all of these, and I love it. All of this art. Like everything about it. Oh my gosh, what a happy card. Yeah, we have a lot of diversity going on here. Oh, this is like the Three of Cups card. I love it. Chakras and everything. I love. Another Three of Cups kind of card here. Oh my goodness. This is just so fun. I love the messages on the card as well. Oh, gorgeous. So happy. So what we'll do now is we will master the dance. Okay, that's cute. We will shuffle these, see how they shuffle, and then we'll pull a card and see how they will be read in the guidebook. They shuffle perfectly, no complaints, except that, you know, my hands. It's a larger deck. And it shuffles fine just like this too. Like they bounce back just great when they shuffle. I love the feel of them. Okay, give me one card, please. Okay, we have the first one, Clear the Vessel. Okay. You are a conduit of universal wisdom and truth, a living bridge between the realms of seen and unseen, known and unknown, human and divine. You have been called to be an emissary of love and a torchbearer of truth. You have the natural ability to transmit high vibratory energy that brings healing and wholeness to the world. To best serve in this holy mission, you must keep your channel clear and your vessel clean. To do so, regularly purify your energy by releasing and clearing all forms of toxins, physical, emotional, and spiritual. When you release everything that clogs or clutters your mind, body, spirit, and environment, you will become like a fountain of light through which divine brilliance and awakened truth will ceaselessly and abundantly flow. Take a moment to assess your self-care practices. Ensure that you are creating space for the highest and purest possible vibrations. Your physical body is a channel for your spirit. Care for it meticulously by eating wholesome foods, drinking plenty of water, exercising, and getting a good night's sleep. Attend excuse me, attend to your more subtle bodies, spiritual and emotional, through daily meditation and spending regular time in nature. Follow your intuition to discern when the time is right for additional purification practices such as salt baths, energy healing, yoga, deep breathing exercises, and dry skin brushing. Above all, purify your mind. Toxic thoughts, limiting beliefs, and other negative mental patterns prohibit and delay your true purpose and ideal expression. Take a moment now to honestly assess the stories you are telling yourself about who you are, what you deserve, and how you should or shouldn't be. Question negative thoughts and stories that don't serve you, and then design new ones that empower you instead of tear you down. Notice how you speak to yourself. Do you judge yourself frequently or say unkind things to or about yourself? These are simply habits, and you have the ability and authority to release these now. First, set a clear intention to do so. Then, shift your inner monologue whenever you notice it has veered toward harshness and self-criticism. You are the thinker of your thoughts, so choose and think ones that nourish your soul. Instantly enliven, cleanse, and cleanse and balance your energy field with this purifying movement. Stand with your feet a little further than your shoulder width apart, toes pointing out at 45 degrees. Bend your knees softly and hold your upper and arms parallel to the floor and your forearms bent upward, perpendicular to the floor. Touch your index and thumb tips together, fingers pointing inward. Begin breath of fire. So that is breathe in and out quickly, only through your nose, all the way down to your diaphragm as you are panting like a dog. Continue this rhythmic breathing pattern as you begin rotating your entire torso, arms and head moving left and right at a steady, rapid pace. Continue for 1 to 2 minutes. Commit to caring for yourself. Develop the habit regularly cleansing yourself of negative and stuck energies. Then ask the universe to support you in firmly establishing these new self-loving patterns. This will bring significant benefits to the situation at hand and all aspects of your life. Okay, wow, that was a lot to take in. So that's a lot of information. I don't hate that at all. I think, in fact, this would be great for beginners. I think this would be great for any level of divinators, I'm going to say, out there. Any level of readers. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. And actually, her hair reminds me of Ariel from The Little Mermaid. I see it all the time. Disney is everywhere in my life. So is it worth the price? Absolutely. You're getting the quality of the cards. You're getting a great guidebook. It's beautifully rendered here. There's diversity. There's a lot going on in these cards. I feel like they're supremely positive. Like there's nothing negative at all about these cards. I feel like these could be very healing as well. Like it's just, they're so beautiful to look at. So they'll be great for your daily pulls. They'll be great for meditation, yoga, to just like sit and look at the cards and say, okay, what am I getting from it? Like this one just feels so happy. I'm absolutely impressed. I don't think I have anything by these authors. So this is an absolute treat. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think about this deck? Do you own it? Do you plan on purchasing it? Is it something that you can see yourself using? Do you feel connected to it? What would you use it for? All of those things I would love to know down in the comment section below. And yeah, let me know what you think. I'm very interested. I'm excited to start using these and to play around with them and see how I feel with them. But yeah, there's no right or wrong way to use these cards, so this is exciting. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. I've got a lot more coming for you guys. I'm super excited. And yeah, so stay tuned. I don't want you guys to miss any of it. All right. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.